Alright, today we have this pin oak in the back of the townhouse. It's a bit of a pain in the butt because the tree's canopy is obviously bigger than the yard itself. So it is sticking into multiple yards and of course over the house with two troubling leads. That being number one to the left. You see what I mean about property lines. Go ahead, get in here, climb it today. Knock down the majority of these limbs that are reaching out to trouble areas so that we can get them out of the way and then start getting these logs down. So, I'll see you up in the tree. Alright, pull everything. Got it? Thank you.